Hi, welcome to my channel. Let's make this amazing GIF. I saw this GIF on Pinterest. I put its link in the description. That's fun and needs just a little bit of math. Move the triangle anchor point to the left down corner. We need to move the triangle this way. The base shape has 10 sides. It's a decagon. All moves are based on the difference between the decagon's internal angle and the other polygon's angle. Let me explain it more. You can calculate each polygon's internal angle with this formula. N represents the number of sides. For example, a hexagon internal angle is 120. When a shape is turning inside a decagon, you need to subtract its internal angle from the decagon's internal one. If it is hard to calculate, you can use these numbers or simply search for them. Now that you know base math, it's easier to create. Turn off triangle visibility. If you want to easily move your anchor points, you need some guides. Press Ctrl+R to see rulers. Drag them to the sides and corners of the decagon. As you see, it may take a little time but is essential. In the end, we have these guidelines. On the menu bar and on View tab, press Lock Guides and snap to Grid. Now anchor points will stick to the lines and the guide will not move accidentally. Lock Base Shape. I know rotation rules. And I prefer to do it by null control or an expression. Press Alt-Control-Shift-Y. Name it properly. Add slider control to it. For each shape, we need a slider control. So don't forget to rename it. Each slider is equal to the decagon's internal angle, minus the shape's angle. For a triangle, it is equal to 144 minus 60. To show you the process, I do the rotation for triangle and a heptagon with 7 sides. Add another slider control. Rename it. I will show you the calculation. For 7 sides, it is 5 multiplied by 180 divided by 7. So the slider would be 144 minus 128.57. Add another slider control. This one will control the number of turns. I think 12 frames for each rotation is enough. So on the turn control slider, set the number for every 12 frames. By pressing the page down keyboard, you will move 1 frame, and by pressing the shift page down, you'll move 10 frames forward. Press the lock icon on the null effect panel. Press R. Press Alt and click on Rotation Stopwatch. Grab Pivot tool and connect it to the triangle slider. Rotation is equal to angle multiplied by turning number. I added minus because our shape is turning counterclockwise. Set the anchor point to the left down corner. After each turn, we need to move the anchor point. So we duplicate the layer and move its anchor point without any problem. Cut the triangle layer after complete turn on frame 12, by pressing Alt and close bracket. Press Ctrl D to duplicate it. Now again put the anchor point to the left down corner. By pressing the open bracket you can move the layer to the point that time indicator is. By pressing K, move the time indicator to the next keyframe. And repeat this process 10 times, to have a complete rotation. Now you can see how useful having guide and snapping to them is. If you set the anchor point in the wrong place, the whole rotation process will be destroyed. The first rotation is completed. Press the Shy button for triangles. Bring back the heptagon layer. Repeat the process by writing the expression on its rotation. Move the anchor point to the left downside. Again cut the layer, duplicate it, move the anchor point, and so on. And this is the final result. Thanks for watching this video.